What's up guys, Beast Juan here, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today's not going to be Call of Duty or FIFA, but we'll have that tomorrow. Today we're going to be doing the pack openings of Yu-Gi-Oh! Dragon of Legends. Now, to my knowledge, I believe these cards were never before printed, so this is the first time they are. So I'm really excited to see what cards are in here, and hopefully I get that at Tomias, which is probably my goal, and everyone else opens these, you know. So let's see what happens. See, we have 3 of them here, you can see. First edition packs. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what we get here. Hopefully something good. Let's see what we get here. Carbon Edon. Nice, looks really nice. Number 73, Abyss Splash. Nice. Pear Psychroid. What a funny little bicycle. Looks funny. Celestial Sword Iatos. I remember Raphael using this in the series. Nice card. Ooh, a Curry Bandit. Look at this. This one's nice. Really nice. Look at that card. That's so sexy. Nice, nice, nice. Curry Bandit. It's really nice. Not bad for starting out. See him right there. Okay, second pack. Let's see what we get here. Start off with Sabatiel, the Philosopher's Stone. I don't know why, but it reminds me of Harry Potter. First movie, Sorcerer's Stone. Celestial Store Iatos. Another one. Nice, nice. Ares Rock Sunrise. Nice, nice. Final Fusion. Looks like Godzilla or something. Now we get a rank up Magic Admiration of the Thousands. Nice, nice. Okay. Final pack. Final pack, guys. Let's see what we get here. Hopefully I get Tomias or Dark Magician. Girl Dark Magician. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, I like this card. This is one of the cards I wanted to get. Guardian Iatos. I remember seeing that in Raphael's deck. Really nice. Nice card. Pear Psychroid again. Little funny bicycle. Lionhearted Locomotive. Nice, nice. Magic Hand. Yeah, I wonder what he's gonna grab. Magic Hand. Let's see what we get as our final. Ross Disciple. Nice, nice, nice. Nice card. Nice in a God card deck. Really nice. Really nice. So these 3 are nice, nice. Curry Bandits. Rank up Magic Admiration of Thousands and Ross Disciple. Really nice. Really nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment. And be sure to check out our other videos, FIFA and Call of Duty included. They're really good. You guys should check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching.